Good morning, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Good afternoon or good evening, depending on what time you're watching this. I hope you guys are having a terrific Tuesday already today. It is time to get started on our calendar, so here we go. What month is it? Let's sing. That's the days of the week. Let's do the months of the year, Mrs. Hensley. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in a year. Yay! Okay, what month is it? The beginning of the month says and the end says October. That ending sound says So our month is October. Okay, so October, what comes after 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. A 1 and a 3. Is it going to be a pumpkin or is it going to be a bat? It is going to be a bat. 13. Okay, so let's put the 13 right there. Okay, and who remembers what Mrs. Hensley said today was? Now let's sing our 7-day song. Here we go. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Who remembers what Mrs. Henley said? I said, I hope you're having a terrific Tuesday. I hope you're having a terrific Tuesday, Mrs. Hensley's friends. So today is Tuesday. So what comes after Tuesday? Because whatever comes after Tuesday will be tomorrow. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Starts with a W. Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. What comes before Tuesday? Because what comes before Tuesday will be what yesterday was. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Let's see what comes before Tuesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Ooh, you're right. Monday starts with the letter M, doesn't it? Monday. So yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Okay, friends, we need to add a straw and a tally for the numbers of days that we have been in school. So Mrs. Hensley will add her straw, she will add her tally, and let's count. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. We have been in school 33 days. Let's see if our tally mark says 33. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33. And you write a 33 with a 3 and a 3. Okay, friends, it is time now for us to write the date. Mrs. Hensley had to erase yesterday's date because I had not done that yet, friends. Okay, first of all, Statue of Liberty. What is the Statue of Liberty? It is a symbol of our country. And where is the Statue of Liberty located? It is located in the New York Harbor. Our American flag, or the United States flag, which is also right over there. You see? Right there. Okay, United States of America flag. That is a symbol of our country as well. United States flag, or we also call it the American flag. Has 50 stars for the 50 states and 13 stripes for the 13 colonies, okay? So that's what we need to do about the American flag and the Statue of Liberty. It is time for Mrs. Hensley to write the date. We know that October is the 10th month, and we know that today is the 13th, and the year is 20. Okay, so 10-13-20. We're going to abbreviate October, finger space 13, comma, finger space 2020. Okay, and we're going to write October all the way out. Finger space 13th, comma, finger space 2020. Okay, my friends, let's talk about what we are going to do today. Okay, let's see what we are going to do today. We have our letter sound cards reviewing the letters that we are working on this week. We have a fall letter hunt that you are going to be doing, which is going to be really fun with a magnifying glass on Seesaw. We're also going to be doing letter sounds. So you will be naming the letter sounds, kind of like letter word sound fluency, except you're going to be naming the sounds that we've been reviewing. We're also going to write, this is me in October, that October page, and count and write numbers 0 to 10. And that is pretty much it for the day, unless Mrs. Hensley throws something in there as a surprise. Okay, so I hope you guys have a terrific Tuesday. Let's see, my good for the day. It's beautiful outside. It is. I like looking at the blue sky and the nice looking clouds. So it is a beautiful day today. So I need you to send me something good. And I want you to give me a blue square. I hope you guys have a terrific Tuesday, and Mrs. Hensley will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.